Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today we are going to draw a corona positive effects drawing. First of all, take it your pencil, take it your eraser, take your oil pastels. Now one cloud I am going to make it. Here is one cloud. Here I am going to write it Corona. Positive effects. Here a corona positive effects a poster. Now I'm going to make it a small corona. With a sad face. Now I am bifurcating it in a few parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now here, as you know that coronavirus has been continuing till last 6 months. Here I saw a few positive effects in the life. That what I want to draw it and I want to make it as a poster. And really it is very positive effect in a life, as I saw that a very calm, free atmosphere has been there nowadays. It is free from pollutions. So I want to make it this corner as a free from a pollutions. So I'm going to take it my marker and I'm going to make it a mountain ranges, a very free atmosphere, good atmosphere. Rivers are non-polluted. Areas are non-polluted. They are very fresh and they are very, very calm and very, very nice. Nowadays, even birds and animals are also moving easily from one place to another without any problem, without any hurdles. So I am showing some animals and atmosphere is very calm. Now I want to show this, as few days back before the corona, family relations are very much disputed, where mother is not giving time to son, where father is not giving time to family, even also a lot of disturbance in a families. Now I want to show that this is a time, a best time, where a family is giving a good time to all the kids. Even also father and mother is giving a full time to their children by playing games, by indoor games, without going outside and without doing their own work. They were quite busy with each other and they are sharing a good time. So I am going to make it here a drawing of a family where all are playing Here one table, they are playing a game. Here father is sitting, here he is playing with a children. Here mother, mother is also playing a game. Here kids, here a girl child, she is coming for playing. Here a grandfather is sitting on a chair and looking at the kids which they are going to play. Here a door of the house, here a window of the house, here one carpet where father, mother are sitting on it, and here is few designs of a game. So here a family, happy family. Now I feel that lot of monies are wasting in before times of a corona. So I feel that one of the example is marriage. I like today's trend that due to corona few people are attending the marriages, and it is very easy to manage those peoples as well as very easy for each and every ceremonies of the marriages. So I feel that marriage is also having very fruitful timing in a corona timing. It's in short, it is said to be a burden free marriages. So I feel that marriage is also a very good procession which is taken in a corona positive effects. So I am going to take it. I am making a marriage hall. That's a marriage hall where here it's Dula, Here it's a fire. Here it's a dulhan. Very few people are attending the marriages. With a distance, they are maintaining the distance in the marriage. Here, with a few people's marriage are going well. Now, here, peoples are now very hygiene peoples. They are maintaining, they are not eating a fast foods, especially pizza and burger. So it's again very positive thing. Here a burger, peoples are not eating it, burger. It's very good. Even also peoples are not drinking a soft drinks. It's very good. They are eating a wholesome diet. They are eating a very wholesome diet. They are eating dal, khichdi, rice, roti. It's perfect, and this is a junk food. They are not going to prefer it. Positive effect that what I shown inside. I'm going to make it a red color. Very small portion it is. Here my set corona is done. Now I'm going to take it yellow color in the cloud for showing the positive effect. Yellow is one of a positive color. Here my yellow color highlighting is done. Now I'm going to another section, sky blue color in the sky, in the water, and light green color in the grassy land. Here it is a portion where I am showing it burden free climate. It's amazing climate and a freezing mountains, a pleasing climate, scenery, few water lines. Now I'm going to make it walls of the house. Slowly. Yeah, I'm going to show a table with a light brown color. Even also door with a light brown color. Here mat, I am going to make it yellow color. Make it slowly color. Again, mom's dressed with a red color. Skin color, little bit on her faces. Sky blue color in the t-shirt of the boy. You can make it dark using a sketch pen. You can make it a head. Now again a dark brown at the floor, make it light. Again orange color. At the light turn of the skin, red color, a girl's t-shirt, light brown color for the skin, even inside a wooden part. Now light brown at the floor of the marriage hall. Yellow color at the top of the backdrop of the marriage hall. Light green color at the downside. Red color for showing the decorations of marriage. Sky blue color blazer of a boy. Now again light brown color in the burger, downside too. Yellow color in the between, orange color in the soft drink, brown color in the wholesome diet, orange color in the wholesome diet, few light green color, again light brown color, and a yellow color at the outer level for showing the light effect. So here I shown you whole positive effects of coronavirus, and even also really I feel that coronavirus has teach us lot of things in our life. This is just 4 part that what I shown you. In next one more video I will show you few more effects. Anyways friends, thank you.